We are at a job fair that is being co-hosted by the county and some of our other employer supporters in the area. And the point of today really is to try to connect people who are looking for jobs or who might have lost their jobs recently with the great employment opportunities that we have in Northern Virginia.
And we're expecting about 2,000 job seekers from diverse backgrounds, entry-level, experienced in various industries.
And it's provides a tremendous talent pipeline. And right here in Fairfax County is a tremendous source of talent for the type of jobs and career opportunities we offer at CACI.
Come on up, you're next. All right. I'm Nuea, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Solongo.
Solongo,
Yes.
nice to meet you.
For those of you in the job hunt, I hope today makes the connection that you need to start a new career and continue to contribute to our economy. We in Fairfax County will do everything we can to continue to work with so many of the partners that are here today, the employers that are here today, to make sure that this is not a one-off and that the services that we provide to people looking for jobs are year-round services.
So I believe the benefits of participating in Job Fair Fest today is they get a good sense of all the different companies that we've had. I believe we have over 70 employers here today. They get a face-to-face meeting with employers. They get to gain more information, not only what's online, but also a behind-the-scenes look of what an organization is all about. Receive, screen for minimum qualifications, screen for preferred qualifications, and then the last step is forward to hiring agency for potential interview. If you get to that last step, that means the Department of Human Resources submitted your application to the hiring agency for further review and consideration.
We often remind people Fairfax County is the economic engine of the Commonwealth of Virginia. And so in order to maintain that position, we have to make sure that all of our talented people get the job opportunities that they have and fill these jobs. And that's also important to retaining our employers. You know, so many of our employers in the DMV area are constantly looking for good talent. And so we're trying to turn these challenging days into an opportunity to help them get the talent they need.
So what I hope job seekers learn from this event is understanding our process so that they can be more successful in finding a job with Fairfax County specifically. Understanding our application process, really make sure you submit an online application because that's the only tool that we review here at the Department of Human Resources to evaluate their candidacy, whether it's them meeting the minimum qualifications, preferred qualifications, in order to submit and forward their candidacy to the hiring agency for further review and consideration so that we can thoroughly review and assess their competencies in order for us to further consider their candidacy.
You're all checked in?
Yes.
Okay.